I teach all aspects of the cosmetology industry. The students are going to be learning all aspects of the hair, nails, skincare program. We run a salon senior year where they get the hands-on experience with the clients too.
I've definitely learned a lot of different skills. Basically worked on like the coloring and like the textures of the hair and like how we need to work with the different types.
This program's unique because by the end of it, they go down to Columbus, take their state board exam, and they come out licensed, ready to work right out of high school.
I think it's helped me really think about my future and what I'm going to do after high school. I'm definitely looking to go into the hair color and nails, and I definitely want to open up my own salon.
There's so many different aspects to this industry. That's what makes it so great. They can, of course, stand behind a chair and work with clients all day in a salon. They can become a salon owner, an instructor. I have students who travel and teach. There's so many different ways to branch out in this industry.
The creativity, you have so much room for freedom, being able to do like all sorts of things and just being able to change and make people feel great about themselves.